Here's a diddly little job that somebody's brought in for us to have a look at. This is a piece of bodywork trim for a Mercedes 230 SL, I believe. And it's supposed to go around either a peg or something, or pin, something to do with how the hood attaches to the body. And it's fixed to the body, or meant to be fixed to the body, with these two little, well, nuts on these little studs that are in the back. Trouble is, they've put so much filler on the body that these studs no longer go through far enough to be able to get the nut on. So what they've asked us to do is, can we take these off and drill some holes in, put some holes through in the same positions so that they can put these little screws in from the top, which you'd think would look a bit rubbish, but apparently when it's all assembled they'd be covered over anyway. So yeah, that's what they've asked us to do. Take the studs out, or cut them off, whatever, and drill some holes in the same place. Yeah, I was just looking at this and thinking, well, how the hell are we going to hold this when it comes to... Well, I suppose we could just cut this off in a hacksaw if we had to. I don't know how these things are fixed in. This looks like a piece of brass that's been chrome plated, but the studs are steel. So whether they're cast in or maybe silver soldered in or something, I don't know. But whatever, we've got to take that off. So we could just put this in a vise and cut that off, and then we've got to drill them out. How to hold it when we're drilling it out, and then counterbore the hole on the back. Well, I've thought of a different way of doing it. I'm thinking I can hold the studs in a lathe, centre drill and counterbore there. And then if I keep drilling, hopefully the thing will just pop off, and then do the same for the other one. Well, that's the screw in there. I think that looks quite okay, even if this counterbore is a little bit big. It's not looking too terrible. So let's get the other side done. I'll try and remember to press the record button at the right moments. So let's get that out of the way. Well, that doesn't seem to be nearly deep enough. Wouldn't hurt if it was a bit bigger. Let's take the diameter out. That's looking good, actually. Right, drill it out. No, I think I'll probably have to just drill that out again. Yeah, it's just broken through before. It's broken off before the hole is properly drilled through. So we'll just go and drill that through. Well, I think we had a little bit of steel left in that hole, but yeah, that's good. Liking that. There's the little stud.